let's just roll the intro and get into it. Yeah, so I'm slightly retarded or slow or dumb. So ordered this, right? Just a brief explanation. This is a 2013 Ultra Limited. Comes with a tour pack, which is sitting over there. Totally understand the purpose of the tour pack. It's trunk, extra storage, it's got speakers in it. But me personally, don't kill me, I don't like the look of it on the bike. And it just reminds me of an old person bike. Anyways, like I said, totally get the purpose of it. So I've been wanting to get one of these, and I did. It's a cheapo, bought it off Amazon, got it yesterday, opened it up, looked at it, and back to the I'm slightly slow. I was like, started putting it together. I was like, nope, wrong one, doesn't fit. It was because I tried mounting it here and here, because that's where the tour pack mounts, which put the seat, yeah, no go. So I thought I ordered the wrong one. And after thinking about it and looking at pictures, again, I'm retarded. It mounts, the front of it mounts down there. The back clips on here. Ta-da! I like the look of this a lot better than the tour pack. Again, I understand the functionality of the tour pack, but it's just preference. Took the wife for a spin today, and she didn't mind it, so that's a good thing. Just wanted to update. Talk to you later.